In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on the Aldi website. To get started, open your Chrome web browser on your computer or laptop. Make sure you're connected to the internet and that the browser is fully loaded before moving on. Using Chrome can help ensure the website displays properly and that all buttons and forms work as expected. Once Chrome is open, go to the address bar at the top of the window. Type in the Aldi website address carefully, then press enter on your keyboard to load the home page. Give the page a moment to fully open. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few seconds. When the home page appears, you should be able to see the main navigation area near the top of the page. Next, look for the register link near the top menu bar. This option is usually easy to spot and is meant for new users who want to create an account. Click on register to open the sign up page. If the page takes a moment to respond, just wait for the registration form to finish loading before you begin entering your details. On the registration page, you'll be asked to provide a valid email address. Be sure to enter an email account that you can access, since it may be used for account verification, password recovery, or future updates related to your account. After that, create a password. Choose something secure that you can remember. Ideally, a password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols if the site allows it. A strong password helps protect your account and personal information. You'll also need to enter your postal zip code. Make sure you type it in accurately, since this information may be used to personalize your experience, such as showing store availability, local offers, or services in your area. Before submitting the form, take a quick moment to review everything you entered. Double-check your email address for spelling errors. Confirm that your password is entered the way you intended, and make sure your zip code is correct. Even a small typo can cause issues later. Once all the information is filled in correctly, you'll be ready to continue with the registration process on the site. That's all it takes to begin creating your Aldi